everyone, thank you for joining me at Lori Houston Art. We're going to get started. We're starting off with Praj Posse's Galaxy Blue Shimmer, beautiful color. And I've just had these paints, you can see I took the cap off, that have been on my shelf for a while. This is a 20 by 20 inch canvas. And now I'm using some Master's Touch, and that is their cobalt blue. And I love this color. It's an opaque color, but it really has a lot of, it does take over if you use too much, but it is beautiful in this painting mixed with some of the other colors. I decided to put a white swipe line down, just kind of giving myself a little bit of a guide. Then we're using Creative Inspirations Payne's Gray. This is probably my favorite Payne's Gray that I use. Golden is great, but this one has a true blue color to it, and I just love it. After that, I decided that I wanted to get some lighter colors into this painting. So I took the Master's Touch cobalt blue and just added white to it. So that's what this color is here. It's the same color with a little white. I love Charvin paints. This is Charvin Intense Pink. And if you haven't used Charvin, I recommend trying them. I will say when you're mixing them, because this is a tube paint, you've got to mix, scrape. It does take a minute with Floetrol, but it's worth it. The colors are really vibrant. I get them at Jerry's Artorama. I have one in Virginia Beach, so I'm fortunate that I can go and actually look at the color. Okay, so we dampened a paper towel, and I'm showing you there. I just spray it and I lay it in the paint. Now this is a dollar store, Dollar Tree paper towel. Makes a difference. How thin they are, plastic, shop towels, it all does a different type of pull. How fast you pull, how close you keep the paper towel to the canvas when you pull. There's so many different variations when you're swiping, and I just love the swipe technique in general. Okay, so I'm tipping that white around, and ironically, I used Amsterdam white, and you can see the coverage is really, it's a lot different than when we use Artist Loft, their fluid white, or even golden. I just think this has a really intense coverage with this white. So I'm doing this, I'm like, oh my gosh, it looks like snow. And when I was doing this, it was at the end of summer, and I'm like, please don't go away, summer, don't leave. And that's where I came up with the name for this painting. So I've been taking it to shows, and it's gotten so much attention. And sometimes when you go to the shows, you will go with a small painting and you're willing to just, sell it for $100 and let it go, just because you've got to have all price points when you go to your shows. This painting, I bought a very beautiful white frame, and I knew that by the attention that it gets when I go to the shows, so many people like it, that it's attractive to a lot of different folks. So I said, nope, I am going to wait. The right person will come by, and they will pay, the price that this painting is worth. And of course, again, I bought an expensive white frame for it. So we're going to see. This one has not sold yet. And I didn't take it last week, but I'm going to take it this week and see how it does. But we shall see. I'm very excited to be doing these flower pops for you. And I love doing 20 by 20s. It's a large canvas. It gives me a lot more room for different bloom styles. When I'm doing my flower pops, the petals can be bigger. I can do more vines. There's just a lot more options on these bigger canvas. Now, I decided to use green. And I think that's what made me think about summer leaving, winter is coming, because the green, if you are looking at this canvas on the wall, you can really see the green popping through in the stems. And so I said, you know what? This was great. I don't know if you have a garden at home, but I can honestly state that, my rose garden, especially when the winter's coming, you might have beautiful buds still on the rose bush, but the leaves are starting to change. The vine, I have a vine rose as well, and you're like, oh my gosh, it's going to be gone before you know it. But never fear, right? It comes back the following year. So anyway, I have jibber-jabbered long enough. Sit back and enjoy this flower pop, and I'm going to show you the end result. You let me know what you think. I will see you there. Okay, let's go down for a close-up. Sorry for the glare. I have two different lights, and I just turned the light behind me on so that you could see the true colors while it's wet. It did dry exactly the same. I want to say it's a little bit more vibrant when it's wet, but the dried results are still just really gorgeous. I love these colors. Ironically, I think my video last week had some similar colors, but I did not do these two paintings anywhere near the same time. So here it is dried. I am in love with it. Please Don't Leave Summer is the name of this painting. I hope you enjoyed this flower pop as much as I did doing it. I want to say thank you to everyone who continues to follow me on YouTube, for all of your comments and your support, and also to everyone that continues to purchase my flower pops. It's humbling knowing that they are hanging in your home. Happy holidays, everyone. Take care. Till next time.